Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through step-by-step process on how to disconnect YouTube from TV. Use the YouTube app as a remote and tap cast. Then, tap remote and use the on-screen remote to control your cast experience. Try to use your TV remote to control your cast experience. Most TV remotes are supported without further setup. If your remote doesn't work, check the instruction manual for your smart TV to learn if it's CEC supported. If so, follow the instructions in the manual to turn on CEC and try to use your remote to control the cast experience. Use voice controls to manage your cast by opening a video in the YouTube app. Here, tap cast and tap the microphone. Then, speak into your device to control your cast experience. If you no longer want to use your phone or tablet with your smart TV or streaming device, you can unlink them. Once a device is removed, you have to use a new code to relink the device again. You can remove linked devices using your smart TV or streaming device, phone or tablet. You can unlink devices individually. Unlinking a single device will remove all linked devices. On your smart TV or streaming device, open the YouTube app. After that, go to Settings and select Linked Devices. Now, select Unlink all devices to unlink all devices at once. On your phone or tablet, open the YouTube app. Lastly, tap your profile picture, tap Settings, and tap General. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.